How to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp. Make sure that you sign into your account. For a demo, let me lock a chat. Long press on particular chat, select three dots. Tap on lock chat. Confirm your fingerprint to lock your chats. Now to find the locked chats, you can easily swipe from top to the bottom of your screen and you can easily find out the locked chats. Select the locked chat, confirm your identity and here you will get all the list of the locked chats. Tap on three dots at top right and you can further select the chat lock setting, and if you wish to hide the locked chat you can even do that. Turn on the button and you need to enter your secret code. When you come back and when you swipe to the bottom of your screen, you will no longer find locked chats. In that case, you need to tap on the search icon at top right, enter the secret code, and easily find the hidden locked chats as well. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.